In today's digital world, there are numerous micro-task websites that provide fantastic opportunities to earn money online by completing simple jobs from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into the first website, Amazon Mechanical Turk, where you can perform small tasks for payment like data validation and content moderation. Next up is ClickWorker, a platform that offers a variety of tasks, such as writing, proofreading, and categorizing images, allowing you to choose what suits you best. Another notable site is MicroWorkers, where you can complete micro tasks like surveys and web research for quick cash payouts. Then there's TaskRabbit, which connects you with local tasks ranging from cleaning to furniture assembly, blending online work with real-world opportunities. Another great option is Swagbucks, where you can earn points by completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. Don't overlook Fiverr, where you can offer your skills for tasks like graphic design, writing, and even voiceover work, allowing you to set your own prices. Next, consider Upwork, a popular freelancing platform where you can find longer-term projects or one-time gigs across many industries, making it perfect for professionals and beginners alike. In a world where financial freedom feels out of reach, there are hidden opportunities waiting to be explored. These microtask sites can help you earn extra cash right from the comfort of your home. Imagine getting paid for simple tasks that take only a few minutes to complete. From taking surveys to testing websites, there's something for everyone eager to make a little extra money. Let's dive into the first site on our list, which offers a user-friendly interface and quick payouts. This platform rewards users for completing easy tasks like data entry and simple online searches. Next up is a site that specializes in offering small gigs for those who enjoy creativity and expression. Here, you can earn money by doing activities like writing short descriptions or creating engaging social media posts. Another fantastic option is a platform that connects users with companies needing quick feedback on their products. This site allows you to earn money by sharing your honest opinions, which helps shape future products. Now let's talk about a site that pays users for watching videos and sharing their thoughts. This unique opportunity lets you enjoy entertaining content while making some extra cash on the side. In the world of online finance, there are numerous opportunities for those willing to put in a little effort each day. These platforms may not promise instant wealth, but they offer a legitimate way to earn extra cash with minimal investment. To get started, all you need is a reliable internet connection and a willingness to engage with simple tasks. From participating in surveys to watching videos, these activities can easily fit into your daily routine. As you accumulate small earnings, you'll start to see how these simple tasks can add up over time. Many people have successfully turned these side hustles into a steady stream of supplemental income. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicating just a little time each day can lead to significant rewards. Stay informed about the latest trends and opportunities in the finance niche to maximize your earnings. Engaging with online communities can provide valuable insights and support as you navigate your earning journey. Finally, be patient and celebrate your small victories along the way, as every dollar earned is a step towards financial freedom. With the right mindset and tools, you can turn these simple tasks into a reliable source of income. RemoTask.com offers a variety of tasks, including image labeling, text transcription, and 3D annotation, providing opportunities for individuals to earn money while working from home. Image labeling involves identifying and tagging objects within images, making them easier for machine learning algorithms to recognize. Text transcription requires converting spoken language or written content into typed text, ensuring accuracy and detail in the process. 3D annotation involves adding detailed notes and labels to three-dimensional objects in images or videos, enhancing the clarity and understanding of complex visuals. By participating in these tasks, individuals can develop valuable skills while contributing to the advancement of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. RemoTasks.com provides flexible working hours, allowing users to choose when and how much they want to work based on their personal schedules. Additionally, the platform offers training resources to help newcomers understand the tasks better and improve their performance over time. With a supportive community and feedback system, users can connect with others, share tips, and enhance their task execution skills collectively. As an expert YouTube video creator in the finance niche, I'm excited to share how iSense.com can help you earn money through tasks like surveys and offers. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a free account on iSense.com, which opens the door to various earning opportunities. Once registered, you can explore a variety of tasks, including surveys that match your interests and demographics. Completing these surveys not only provides you with valuable opinions, but also rewards you with cash or gift cards. In addition to surveys, ysense.com offers a range of other tasks, such as online offers that can further boost your earnings. Furthermore, participating in daily polls on isense.com allows you to engage with the community while earning a few extra cents. As you accumulate earnings, you can easily withdraw your funds through various payment options like PayPal or gift cards. By consistently participating in tasks on isense.com, you can transform your spare time into a considerable side income. In summary, ysense.com is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to monetize their free time through surveys, offers, and daily polls. Inboxdollars.com offers users a unique opportunity to earn money by engaging with simple tasks like reading emails and watching video ads. By completing these paid offers, members can steadily build their earnings from the comfort of their home. Each email you read can reward you with points which can be redeemed for cash later. Watching video ads not only keeps you entertained, but also adds to your earnings seamlessly. Paid offers often include surveys and special promotions, giving users even more ways to boost their income. With each completed task, members can see their balance grow, motivating them to engage more. In addition to reading emails and watching ads, users can also earn by referring friends to join the platform. This referral program allows users to earn a bonus for each friend who signs up, creating a win-win situation. As members continue to explore the platform, they can discover additional ways to earn through cashback shopping and other offers. Regular promotions and bonuses keep the experience fresh, encouraging users to check back often for new earning opportunities. By consistently participating in these activities, users can turn simple tasks into a reliable source of extra income.